Are you facing a warning on your TikTok account and wondering how to remove it? Hey there, TikTok users, if you've received a warning on your account, don't worry. I'll guide you through the steps to remove it. First, open your TikTok app and click Warning. Click Check Account Status. Click Warning. Click Disagree from Feedback section. Read and select relevant reason from drop-down. Click Submit. Click Done. Now click Appeal. Here you have to write reason for appealing. I'm typing here to explain what is the purpose of my video. Write your own words to explain for which purpose you have posted that video due to which TikTok warned your account. Or you can copy the text from my video. Just pause the video and copy text. Write appeal text on Notepad or in someone's chat and then follow the steps. After writing reason, you have to click Continue button. Now click Submit. Go back and check your video after a few hours. Warning from your account will be removed and your video will be allowed. As you can see, my video is allowed. Thanks for watching.